Today I'm going to show you how to change the miniR wax guards on the Signia Silk. If we open this up, you'll see that there's 8 individual sticks inside, and on the end of each stick is a wax guard that looks like that. So we'll just put that back in there for now. Put that down there, and this is the Signia Silk hearing aid. And what we're going to do first of all is we're going to have to remove the outer Signia click sleeve, and we'll just pull it inside out, which I find the easiest way to get a hold of the end. Grip it like so and pull it from the ball joint, and that will reveal the white filter in the end of this hearing aid that we're going to change. So I'm going to hold it like this. I'm going to get hold of my new wax filter, which you can see there. We're going to turn it round and use the other end to take the old one out by pushing it in like so, and pull, and out it comes very easily. And we're going to turn it around and push the new one in like so, and it's that simple. You've now got a new miniR wax guard in the end of your hearing aid, and all that's left is to replace the wax guard, the Signia click sleeve over the end, like so. All done.